Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 50. In our last video, we saw user-defined exception handling classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about Java input-output classes. So let's first understand what is use of input-output and where exactly we use the input-output classes. So let's first understand what is the input-output. Java IO means Java input and output. Class present inside the Java IO file. This package inside all these Java input output classes present. Input is used for get input from different sources. We can get input from different sources using the input classes, and we have a output for a produce output in a different destination. We can produce output in a different destination using a output classes. Then we have a Java IO used for a reading data and writing data. Java input-output classes exactly used for reading data from some source and writing data from some destination. Input classes can able to read from file, from console or socket, and output we can produce output in a different destination like a file, console and socket. Here in this diagram you can see, here we can get a source from file, console and socket. And we are using here input output classes internally used for a stream. Input class used internally for a input stream and output class internally used for a output stream. You can see, simply convert this all data source in a stream, and then we perform some operation in our Java application and we produce output using the output stream. And we produce output in a destination. We have a file, console or we have a socket. Okay, then we have a input output stream is a sequence of data. In a Java, stream is a compose of a byte continuous to flow. We simply use a compose that data in a byte, and then we use a for a input stream and for output stream we use for performing some operation. Stream is used to deal with the input output because that our code no need to understand every part of physically, because we don't need to write every step-by-step code. Java already create a package, IO package. We can simply use that package and we can simply perform our operation. Everything ready-made here in IO package. We just need to already prepare methods, already prepare classes. Here two types of stream classes Java provide. First one is a byte stream and second one is a character stream. Byte stream, it is to handle input and output byte. It's handling the bytes. And second one is a character stream. It is used to handle input and output using a character. Here we have two types. We will see in a next video this byte stream and then character stream. In this video, that's it. Here we understand what is the input output classes and where exactly we use the input output classes. We can simply use the input output classes for handling, for performing the input or output operation. So in this video, that's it. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.